got the sniffles. Carol, are you coming over today?
I can't. I have bronchitis.
And bronchitis. So? I got sniffles. I can't breathe out of my nose, but I'm still kicking it.
I just died from it.
You can't die from bronchitis. Come on. It's 2009.
Okay, yeah, what's the point? We created the swine flu.
Well, maybe if we weren't so mean to the pigs, that wouldn't have happened. Uh-huh. You remember my pet pig, Rufus?
Oh, yeah.
Mm-hmm. It's pretty bad. I can't breathe out of my nose. I feel like I'm dying. And I have this everywhere. I look like a teenage boy who just got done doing his business. You know, his private business. I hate being sick because I have the 80s hair going on and I haven't brushed my teeth and I need to take a shower. And it's 1 o'clock and I just woke up. There is so much fun to be had. Nobody knows what I feel like. Nobody knows at all. So thank you, Sudafed PE. I adore you. Thank you, Sudafed PE. I love you. I'm so bored. I don't know what to do. Did you know that this can give you wrinkles? But I don't really care because I'm only 15. I teleported! Meow. Sorry guys, I was cat for a second. It was pretty scary. Oh my god, I want chicken noodle soup! After reviewing that last clip, I think I need a shave. I feel uncomfortable. Ugh. Stop watching me! I love 80s hair. It's unbrushed. It looks teased. You see that, boys? That there's a turkey. Right now, I think my life expectancy is down to like 2 more years. Why? 'Cause I offend people.